Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For my first video, I wanted to bring you this soft glam holiday makeup look, perfect for all the upcoming holidays. So if you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. I'm starting off with one of my go-to primers by MAC. I like this eyeshadow primer because it gives your shadow long wear and it's really great for anyone with oily eyelids. Next, I'm taking the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I'm going to be using the shades Orange Soda and Burnt Orange. I'm going to mix those two together and apply them all over the crease with a blending brush. Now I'm taking that color Sienna and blending that into the crease, but I'm not going to take it as high as the first two shades. I want to keep that on the lower part of the crease. And I'm also going to blend that shadow into the outer 2/3 of the lid. To kind of build up the intensity more on the eye, I'm going to take Cypress Umber with a pencil brush and I'm going to place that on the outer corner. You want to make sure you use a smaller brush to keep the eyeshadow placement in that area. I'm going to go in with that blending brush with that color Sienna and just go back and blend everything out so that there are no harsh lines. Alright, taking that primer and a flat brush, I'm going to start defining my crease to get that perfect cut. You want to make sure you take your time, don't rush it. You can even tug on your eye a little bit just to help you get that nice straight line. And then you want to make sure you fill in that lid space with whatever primer is left over. Again, I'm just taking that fluffy blending brush with a little bit of eyeshadow and just buffing that into the lid. So now I'm applying some of that glistening eyeshadow from the palette with a flat shader brush and I'm applying it all over the lid. I'm taking more of that sienna color and kind of just going back into the outer lid, blending that into the glistening eyeshadow. To make the inner corner pop, I just grabbed a light shimmery eyeshadow from a different palette and I'm just going to highlight the tear duct and the brow bone. This next step is optional, but if you want to give your eye a little bit more of that smoky look, you can grab that shade Noir like I did with a pencil brush and then just apply that to the outer corner of the eyelid. Alright guys, this is my favorite part of the entire eye look, the glitter part. This is Stila's Glitter Ink Kit and Karma, so I'm taking the applicator and I'm just going to apply that all over the eyelid. Now that I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm going to take a clean makeup wipe and just clean up any fallout, and I'm also going to clean up the outer part of the eye just to get that nice sharp edge. Before I put on my false lashes, I'm just going to add a few coats of mascara just so that I can blend my real lashes with the fake lashes. The lashes that I'm using today are from Velour Lashes and these are in the style Feeling Myself, and I just love these because they're long, they're full, and they just complete the makeup look. I'm just taking that pencil brush, going back in and just blending out the outer corner. Moving on to my face makeup, I already had my skin prepped. So I'm going in with my go-to foundation that I wear almost daily. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear in Buff. I like full coverage and I'm also oily, so this is the only foundation that I use that does not slide off throughout the day. And as you can tell, I do like to take my time buffing that foundation into my skin. I'm going to be using 2 concealers. One is going to be to color correct, and then the other one's going to be to highlight. So to correct any darkness, I'm using the Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless Concealer in shade number 5. Now I'm taking that lighter shade of concealer in shade number 4, and I'm applying that all over my under eyes. I'm going to put it on my forehead, my chin, my nose, and then go ahead and blend it out with a beauty blender. I usually wipe off any foundation or concealer from my lips. Taking the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC25, I'm going to go ahead and set my T-zone to really lock that concealer and foundation in. For my bronzer, I'm using MAC's Give Me Sun, and I'm going to apply that all over my forehead, my cheeks, and a little bit into the jawline. And just adding a little bit of blush here. This is MAC's Warm Soul. Don't forget the nose contour. I love the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in light to medium. It smells really good, and also I like it because it's not too warm or too cool. We are almost done. One final step, which is the highlight. I am using Jouer's Citrine highlighter. I like it because it's super creamy and it gives my cheeks a nice radiant look. Don't forget that nose highlight. I normally don't wear eyeshadow underneath my eyes, so I'm just gonna coat my lashes with some mascara and move on to the lips. For my lip liner, I'm using MAC's Bold Lip Bare, one of my favorites. It's like a nice nude pinkish shade. The lip color that I'm using in this tutorial is a liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty, and it is in the shade Crush. To finish off the lips, I'm using Makeup Forever's lip gloss in shade 100p. If you want a matte look, then I would recommend skipping the lip gloss. To lock in all the makeup, I'm going to go ahead and set my face using Huda Beauty's Resting Boss Face setting spray. And we are all done. If you want to see more videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.